I hope in beautiful style. So first I spray. This is what I always do. I spray their hair with rosemary water, which I have posted the video, and definitely you have. So I pack the hair into four. You just and I'm going to be using one and one shoulder for a Brazilian wool. So the one I use is it's just a little bit remaining. It's not much, but so I just start from one, and this is how I finish everything. Like you start from one, you just cut it, and when you thread one, leave it. You thread the second one, you leave it, and when you thread the third, as you are threading the third one, then you take the first one and hold it along with it and thread everything together. This is all round hair. So and you want to put the second one, you just cut it again, and yeah, literally you do these three, and you put the first one to the, and when you cut another one again to be number three to the one you've not added. I hope you understand where I'm saying it. Okay, and this is how you just keep doing it, and like this hair is really simple. If you are a lover of threading hairstyle and you are looking for easy hair to make, take me up to 30 minutes to finish. When you're making it hair, you know how they always like they go here and there and all that. Yeah, I say they want to raise themselves, they want to use the restroom, and they want to eat something, they want to drink something. So we don't, you don't calculate all those ones to eat, like the time you normally spend making their hair. So I think threading wool is a good idea because fast. Okay, and so what I said before earlier on, so this is what I meant when I said when you make number three, you see the one I'm threading now. So I'm going to just thread it like 1 2 3 4. Then I will take this one that is left among the first two that I made. I will take it. So this is how you keep doing it until you get to the last the two. Because when you get to the last part, it's going to be like two, which is the one you are bringing and the remaining one. So just watch to the end to see how I added, like it will be three instead of two. Like when I'm making it now is two, right? But when you get to the end, it becomes three. So just keep watching and see how I finally gather everything together to become one. All right, guys, and I decided to just like make this voice note very short. I'm home and I'm outside, so I don't want to stay here to avoid kids making noise in the background. Like where I'm making this video right now, hiding, there's some essence you can hide from kids. So I decided to just extend it to just give a little before I the room. I hope you guys understand it, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much. If this is the first time on my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and you'll get notified whenever I have a new video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate you for watching our video. So to our channel subscriber, thank you so much for your support, for commenting, and some people also tell us the style to create. Like when they have some styles that they see, they don't know how to do it. They just tell me, okay, please create this hairstyle. I want to see how you do it. So I also want to use the opportunity to say thank you guys for also like us by allowing us to create the hairstyle you want to know. I really do appreciate you all. So both my new and my subscribers, I say may God bless each and every one of you. Guys, this way I made it, it's no about it. It's just take it. When you're making one that want to eat, you thread everything together. When you're finished, when you're done, you cut another one, and yeah, like that. So pattern is not also the problem. When you to get your pattern, you have to pack the hair into four. Okay, then you start from one. Anyway, but it doesn't matter if it's from anyway, just one you can start from. You can come back, you can start from the side. The how you want it to be, it's not be exactly the same. But it's like okay, this is how it's made, right? So guys, I hope the video will be useful to someone out there. So please do also share with your friend, or your friend might also want to know about it. Bye.
Look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Under the place where all this began. Just start again. I'll see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall first to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down. Break down. Until you break down. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall first to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down. Hold on, hold on. You're not lost, you're not lost. Hold on, hold on. You're not lost, you're not They said, don't fall. Don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run. Don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall first to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down. Break down. Until you break down. They said, be meek. Look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned.